Get excited about the 2020 Ford F-150. With fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer, this is a great value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.